Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Google Pixel 7 Pro protective cases 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Are you the proud owner of the latest Google Pixel 7 Pro? With its sleek design and impressive features, it's no wonder you want to keep it safe from any potential damage. That's why we've compiled a list of the best Google Pixel 7 Pro protective cases on the market. Whether you're looking for added grip, shock absorption, or just a stylish accessory, we've got you covered. Keep reading to discover our top picks for protecting your valuable investment. I have prepared this video guide for the best Google Pixel 7 Pro protective cases 2023, so let's get started. 5. Toros Case. The protection is not the only thing that the Toros case offers. Adopting a matte coating on the back, this slim case provides you with a silky touch feeling that can't be found in clear cases. The cushiony and silicone ridges on the sides also strengthen your grip while holding your phone with one hand, making it easier for you to use your phone on the go. In addition, the nano-oleophobic and hydrophobic coating at the back plays a crucial role in protecting the case from fingerprints, oil, stain, and other potential damage. This means that not only will your phone be protected from drops and scratches, but your case will stay looking clean and new for longer. 4. Caseology Case. For those who are concerned about the durability of their phone case, the Caseology Nano Pop is certified with military-grade protection. This means that it has been rigorously tested to ensure that it can withstand drops, impacts, and other types of damage. You can rest assured that your phone will be well protected with this case. Another great feature of the case is that it is wireless charging compatible. This means that you don't have to worry about taking your phone out of its case when it's time to charge it. Simply place your phone on a wireless charger and let it charge without any hassle. Finally, the case is screen protector compatible. This means that you can add an additional layer of protection to your phone's screen without sacrificing the comfort and style of the case. 3. Humix Case. Not only does this case offer top-notch drop protection, but it also includes 1.5mm raised bottom and top screen bezels and 2mm raised camera bezels. These features aim to protect your phone's expensive screen and camera from shatters and damages caused by accidental drops and daily scratches. You can use your phone with confidence, knowing that every aspect of it is protected with a single product. The Humix shockproof design for Google Pixel 7 Pro case is the perfect combination of style and protection. Its translucent matte design adds a modern and sleek look to your phone, while its military-grade drop-tested protection ensures your phone is safe at all times. And despite its high level of protection, it does not affect the use of your phone's curved screen. 2. Wrinkey Fusion. The case features a fingerprint-resistant and smudge-proof non-glossy frosted coating that feels velvety soft to the touch. This coating not only adds to the case's sleek and modern design but also makes it easy to hold. You won't have to worry about your phone slipping out of your hand, even when you're on the go. What's more, this clear case supports wireless charging and screen protector compatibility, making it a versatile addition to your phone accessories. 1. Caseology Parallax. In addition to its ergonomic design, the 3D Hexacube design case also offers excellent protection for your phone. Raised bezels around the screen and camera ring help to prevent scratches and cracks, while also providing additional grip when you're holding your phone. And thanks to its military-grade protection certification, you can be confident that your phone will be well protected from drops and impacts. Of course, protection doesn't have to come at the expense of style. The 3D Hexacube design case boasts a sleek and modern look that will complement your Google Pixel 7 Pro perfectly. And if you're worried about compatibility with other accessories, you'll be pleased to know that this case is both wireless charging compatible and screen protector compatible. So guys, this was the video about the best Google Pixel 7 Pro protective cases 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.